Today we are working on Excel Lesson 6, the 8th lesson, printing charts. So this is what you should have opened up. Step 1 says ensure that the Sheet 1 worksheet is selected. So Sheet 1 worksheet is selected. Click any cell outside of the pie chart so the chart is not selected. Doesn't matter where you click, just click away from that chart. Click File and then click Print. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click the portrait orientation. Click landscape. We're going to change it to landscape. As long as the chart is not in edit mode, Excel prints the worksheet with all of the contents, including any charts. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Click the back button. Then click in a blank area inside the pie chart to select it and put it in edit mode. Click File and then click Print. If necessary, click Portrait Orientation and then click Landscape again. You can see that it's now just got the chart, so mark that as answered. Click the back button and then click in a blank cell outside the chart. Click the Chart 1 worksheet. Click File and then click Print. Because this is a chart sheet, only the chart will print even though it's not in edit mode. So, submit that. Submit results. 4 green checks, so this completes printing charts.